So we made it to Insa, and now we've just jumped in a taxi with a couple of other people who are going to the same place as us, Popayan, and we spent 5,000 Colombian pesos for the bus, and now we're spending 30 each. Yeah, 30 each for the taxi. In total it's going to be about 4 hours, and it turns out it's going to be about £6 each, so it's cheap for 3 or 4 hour drive. So we're very lucky, and we have views like this the whole way, apart from this yellow tape. There you go. Not too bad at all. So we have made it to Popayan after how many hours? 3 hours?
Yeah.
It was actually, we made good time. It's now 10:30, 11, and we were expected to get here at about 12, so yeah.
Great.
Yes. So we've just got to the hostel, so we're just about to check in, and yeah, we'll go see what it's like. So I'm currently in Popayan, really, really beautiful here. It's supposed to be like the white city. Super colonial, really, really pretty, amazing restaurants and cafes and everything. I was supposed to be going to Peru on February the 8th, but protests and riots and all of that have been getting progressively worse, so I'm not going to really be able to go there now, and nor will Cynthia. So currently thinking about some different travel plans and what to do next. These things happen when you're traveling, different kind of geopolitical situations. So yeah, gonna have a look online and kind of see what I want to do, see what I can do, see different parts of the world, blah blah blah. But who knows? Yeah, but for now, do a bit of research and get some food. Hey guys, so it's a new day in Popayan. I'm with Cynthia still, and we're just about to do a free walking tour. I know how much you guys love these, seeing different cities, different things to do. Oh, lots of noise, lots of music. As you can see, this park is very busy right now. Not sure how lucky we're going to be today. Looks like the rain's coming. We've had a lot of rain so far, so fingers crossed we'll be okay, but wish us luck. So the tour guide actually just said that all of these people behind me are actually teachers, and they're striking at the moment for changing the education system in this country, which is really cool to see. I know people back home in England can relate with strikes from the trains, and the teachers and the ambulances and the nurses and everyone else who's striking as well. So yeah, it's cool to see. We actually saw all of this going on about 3 days ago, or 2 days ago, whenever we arrived. And yeah, I think it's going all week as well. So a third person's just arrived, so we're almost ready. This guy's from France, so we actually met him a couple of days ago, twice actually, in 2 different restaurants. Just so happened to run into each other. So so far there's 3 of us plus the guide. It should go for a couple of hours. I don't know the names of anywhere. I'm sure I'm going to learn on the go, and I'll tell you all about it. But I'm excited to see it. I've just seen a little bit of lightning as well, so fingers crossed we don't get caught in the rain. So the first fun fact about Popayan: there's 12 universities here and 35 churches. Now this is a small city. It's also got the oldest nightclub in the whole of Colombia here. And because it's a Friday today, we can actually go, and they specialise in salsa. It's only 5,000 pesos, which is, how much is 5,000 pesos in euros?
It's like €1.
About €1, so like less than £1 to go there tonight. So who knows, maybe we'll head over there later. So as you may have noticed, this city, all the buildings are white, and it's called the White City, even though right here, building which isn't white, which is a rare sight. Do you know why this building is not white?
In another color, yes, because in the downtown of Popayan exists some buildings like this that representative some importance. For example, this is the building that representative the education.
Okay.
Inside to this big room is like a received degree around all the students from University of Cauca. That is the reason that is the most important building in the education here in Popayan, in the downtown.
So wait, this is residency for students?
This is the big room, yes. The name is para Nico Francisco C. de Caldas.
Beautiful. If you see these symbols on any of the buildings in Popayan, it means that the building wasn't destroyed in a huge 1983 earthquake. So yeah, keep your eyes out.
Sometimes it was very alcoholic, and
so that stone hole in the ground was actually more of a bath or a shower in a traditional home here back in the 1800s. Slaves would have helped to kind of bathe the owners. So this university is one of the oldest in Colombia, and it's actually 195 years old, which is, yeah, ancient, but it's absolutely stunning. So next we go to a traditional snack restaurant. What's it called? The traditional snack restaurant?
There are a lot of, but the most important are aplanchados.
Yeah.
Aplanchados.
Yeah.
Postre Eduardo Santos. Carantanta.
Sí.
Repollitas. Mantecadas. Oh, it's
Cerrado. Oh no. Sad times. Oh well, alright, no snack bar.
In the morning, is inside. And I recommend you that you can taste.
So apparently this is the place to go. So we got a couple of the traditional snacks here. This one's called, what was this? Aplanchados. The closest thing that I could describe it to is kind of like a meringue, but different. And you see it's like hollow, it's very like sugary, it's very similar to a meringue, but it's really tasty, really light. And what are these ones?
Carantanta is the name.
Carantanta.
It's corn, it's corn.
Yeah, this is like
eating air basically.
Yeah, they're kind of like crisps, but made of corn flour.
And with less flavor.
Yeah.
we have Popayan. They taste like these kind of
Pombers. Pombers.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, they're actually
like
quite similar to Pombers. So if you like Pombers and you're in Colombia, get some Carantanta. I didn't realise how much of a major cultural hub Popayan really is in Colombia, and it's just not a touristy city at all. Lots of people miss it off their trip when coming to Colombia. A lot of the time they just go to the north, like Medellin or Cali. Well, Cali's not too far away. Cartagena, places like that, or just even the beach. But I would 100% recommend this city. It's got everything, so many museums, so many sights to see, beautiful parks and squares, and being the white city with everything so white, it just looks different. It's also a food capital of the region as well. You can try so much different kind of food, from all the local kind of food to different kinds of restaurants, lots of cafes. I've had some amazing coffee here. 100% recommend. Alright guys, that was the end of the tour. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, 100% recommend Popayan. There's so much to see and do here. If you're into cultural stuff, there's so much cultural stuff. From the colonial side to the native side. If you like coffee, if you like restaurants, if you like anything to do with food, definitely come here. It's so cheap as well. Good tours and lots of nature stuff just outside the city. So yeah, come to Popayan. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to do everything you need to do. Cheers.